Wha Gwann, everybody. Today we have a special thing going on today. Today we in a kitchen. We're not out of the restaurant. We're there with Cook and Vibe, the original MdotR today. And
Oh,
you don't know, say,
yo!
our baiting is a long time. The link up did for go on family.
Yo!
But
long time.
them can't stop what for
Can't stop what's meant to happen in
Yeah,
a
man,
life
isn't
in the
it?
people in a real life.
Real thing.
Yeah.
How far the man travel across many seas to come back home yard. Yes,
Yes.
sir, Jamaica.
Yes.
So today we in the kitchen and the boss say we are dealing with some fish, so we are roast some fish.
Yeah.
What else we are roast?
Yeah, so we have roast up some sweet potato.
Yeah, man.
We got some yam. You done know some ground provisions. Yeah, because it's just a natural thing, man. I thought I'd just check Food Boss because, you know, so I always watch his channel and it's a long time we're supposed to link up and you know, it's not easy because I'm from London, I'm from England, let me give you my accent. You know what I mean? I'm from London.
Yeah, man, he from where they get them peas, fam.
Do you know what I mean?
Get them peas, fam.
We get the peas over there, fam. You get me, bro? So, yeah, man's just been traveling around the island doing some work and I've said, yeah, we definitely got to link up with Food Boss. So, our people, thank you for having me.
No, respect for the
Thank you
link,
for
brother.
having me,
Respect
first of
for the
all.
link, you see me?
So, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And make sure you check out his channel, Cook and Vibe. Him have a whole heap of wicked things that go on it. Hear different style of cooking that him go on with.
Yeah.
Him bury things, him cook them pan pit, him cook them in a stove, him cook them in a pot, him put them in a can, you name it. Beer vibes are going. It's just a cooking and a vibes.
Yeah,
so
man.
You don't know.
The thing different. We got some stuff on there that you might not have never seen before in your life.
Yeah, man. And bless up and coming as well.
Up and coming productions.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Big up same way. You see me? The man behind the lens.
Yes.
Respect
yes.
every time, brother.
Why are you?
Yeah, man. Link up on kitchen time.
Yes.
Food time.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Food time.
Yes.
Yeah. Why are you?
Yeah, man, me a go and line up because you don't know it things set already. Yeah. Take out him belly and you understand?
Yeah, man.
And go down in his guts. Right, man. It off his scale and you understand what I say?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I want that, man. You understand what I say?
Wanna move real quick. Oh, that one party.
Yeah.
I be a party that.
You look so.
Who all of them a party?
No, one parrot tonight.
So,
Oh,
yeah. That's a good roast.
Yeah, right?
That's a nice jack for roast.
And you have one goldfish.
That's a, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God, that me love. Huh?
Yeah, this is a
Right, I'm sure I carry that one for mommy.
This is a goldfish. Soft and nice.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Yeah. A real life.
The sweetest eating fish at the
Oh my
goldfish when you fry that.
God, is the flesh?
Oh God, man, you fry that and it's one of the sweetest fish you'd ever taste
Yeah,
in
man.
your life. That's a
No,
party.
doctor here.
Baggy.
That's a party. That's a goat. And that's a jack.
Jack. So you didn't jack.
You don't scale already?
But
Eh?
jack no carry scale.
Jack don't have no scale.
No, so
Don't
what?
scale skill.
No, so what? Little bit. So what jack have here?
Have some small
Okay,
scale.
You see this? This is what?
Yeah.
This is what the jack. This is what. Yeah, this is what the jack carry right here.
There's not much scales on it.
No, there's no much carry. Yeah.
And then you got a goldfish down there. What they want they call party.
Party.
Pargy.
Party.
Pargy goat. And
And
Yeah,
jack.
there's a less. Yeah, less scale and jack.
okay.
Yeah. I need just cut off here and swipe along.
Here, man. Oh, it's a blessing. In a real life, it's a blessing, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, fully enjoy it.
Respect for the link up again, brother. You don't know.
Give thanks, bro.
Long overdue.
Yeah,
but give thanks.
Yeah,
and not better to start to roast some fish and them thing there right now.
Perfect way, man.
Yeah, man.
Real Jamaican style. Selector, because tune's meant to be running and they're helping us by just locking off the music for a minute. So big up the selector, big up the man them. It's appreciated. Enough love. Like I said, in Jamaica, everybody wants to help, and you know what I'm saying. So yeah, man, what we're gonna do right now is just gonna flip this one round. First of all, yeah, flip the little ones round that are not too. Is it me? And then yeah, we're good to go.
Yeah, man, just dash them straight on the fire.
Good to go. That in there.
Yeah, man, let some heat go up in my belly.
And then do you know what? I don't know if we are gonna need this, but we dash it in the same way.
Yeah, man, dash it in the same way, man.
That's true.
More food in our fire.
And then I think I won Irish, because English man's in the place. You know what I mean? Irish man there. You know what I'm saying? I don't have the Irish accent. Yeah, I don't have that. But yeah, we're there. London's in the place, food boss. You know what I mean, mate?
Cook and vibe today.
You know what I mean, bruv?
Yeah, man. Cook and vibe.
Cook and vibes. Please go check out the channel, people. I really appreciate it, man. Yeah, because I'm going to be honest with you, our food boss is getting more views than me right now. And they're good to go. Obviously, that's going to be done before that, but yeah, we just take it off and rest it down. When you want to heat it up, chuck it back on for a minute. That's how we deal with it. Yardman style. We're in Jamaica. The fish done scowl. Provisions on. All we got to do, you've done to the seasoning already, so you know what we're putting in the fish. So yeah, man, it's just seasoning the fish. Yeah.
All right, now we're back in the kitchen. You don't know.
Seasoning the fish. We're seasoning the fish right now.
Season up some fish.
Yeah. So like I got some good seasonings here. Like I said, they're natto that I've never used before. So we're just giving the fish a little cut. You know what I mean? So we can get some flavour.
Yeah, man, cut it down to the bone so you can soak it.
Ah, them thing there. So as soon as you hear that bone, it's good to go. Where is it? There it is. Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do is go into some all-purpose first. So you done now. You get a little on the top there to make that. In them little,
just a little bit of season and then massage it right down into there so that seasoning touches right down to the bone.
Is it there?
Right down in there.
Yeah, man.
Delicious. Flip the same thing on the next side.
Because you know what I like to do? I like to just, so I'm going to give it a few different seasonings. You don't want to overload it, but you want to get it in these. You know, you want to get it inside because. Otherwise, you can have flavour on the outside, nothing on the inside.
Soak on the inside.
Apart from like the outside bit. So yeah, some more. And this is the maroon seasoning, am I right?
Yeah, man. This is the maroon seasoning from Maroon Town.
See it there? So it's a one hand thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because you have to pick up the seasoning with one hand, and then you have to just rub it in. So you have to be professional when you do it like that. You get me? You have to make sure you can do it with one hand and don't cut yourself or juke your hand with no bone. Yeah. So just a little bit of pimento. Is that gonna come out? Don't want to come out. A little bit, yeah.
Spice of Jamaica.
Yeah, the daddy of jerk, the daddy of the jerk seasoning. Yeah, not a lot of that because it's quite strong and. The flavours here, I really want to taste this one.
Natto.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to go for next. But I've not learned how to open a packet with one hand yet. So what we're going to do, right, is we're going to try it. Let's see if we can do it. Don't play games, all right? Please. And thanks. What do you mean?
About to say teamwork and the dream work. You see, put the camera down ahead.
Cool kind of vibes, man. So this one quite strong, this seasoning. Is the natto strong?
No, it's not really strong, but it has a hint of sweetness in it. Okay. You can taste the seasoning right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it, yeah. What's up?
Let's dip a little of that and some.
That's got sweetness in it. That's really nice. So we're going to get some of that inside the fish now. Yeah, man. And then once we've got it on there, we can just massage the whole fish again, because that's all 3 seasonings on it now. Oh, jock. Get them down there. Got some scallion and some thyme. I like this scallion here. The purpley one.
Yeah, man, the purple one pack a lot more punch and flavour.
A lot of flavour in this one here. You don't really get this so much in the UK. Scotch bonnet, you know, so we need that
have to have
fruity.
some of that, man.
Fruity.
And you see how that one had the perfect bonnet.
Do you know what's scary about it? It makes you feel like you can just eat it, doesn't it? When you
Right, I did it with Sonny.
I'm gonna dip on that. Me gonna dip on that. No, sir. Do you know what I do? I'm not gonna lie, I do, but I've got pickle pepper. Do you know what I mean? So afterwards, we do a little ting, and we put a little, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. If we can get one vinegar, we'll just dash our one Scotch bonnet. You can, you know, you can do that. You can just, yo, you know, one time we just use seawater and Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, man. That we do.
Bad.
Button finger, we call that.
Button finger, is that what you call it?
Seawater.
Bun finger.
Bun finger, fresh.
Yeah.
Get the fish fresh. You get Dr. Fish and them thing there.
Yeah, I watched the episode.
Yep.
I watched the episode that other day. Yeah, I watched the episode, man. Watch that one there, Bun Finger with Ras Kitchen. Yeah.
So you're still just chopping up some of the pepper then?
Yeah. Otherwise you're gonna get a surprise. But you know, one piece of fish you get one surprise.
Rotten surprise, right?
Whoa yo!
Whoa yo!
Yes.
Yeah, man, you can smell that. The Scotch bonnet has
it's amazing.
intense flavour. That one.
Obviously, you know, we cook Caribbean food in the UK,
yeah.
so we use all the same flavours, but what it isn't the same is the quality.
Yeah.
So when we
it's just how
it grows pungent fruitiness from that.
Yeah, man.
You know,
you can smell that it have a little heat actually. It's almost like you have that scent that just gives off a flavour of the heat, but it's more fruitiness. Yeah. It just has a distinct flavour. It's not all about the heat. It's about the flavour.
It's the best pepper in the world, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Any other pepper, just like green pepper and the cayenne pepper, they're all good, but it's not really so much of a flavour. The Scotch bonnet is like a fruit.
Yeah, it has flavour. So that's what we use it for. It's not always about the heat. Yes, we want the heat, but we want the flavour of the pepper itself.
Yeah. So yes, people, we're good to go, really. I'm not even gonna cut that off. That's tough. There's no point. So yeah, so just there.
Pack some time in the belly.
Yeah. You know how we do fish already, people. We've done fish a times on Cook and Vibe, but we're there with Food Boss and it's special today.
Yeah, that me like, no.
Yeah. I say, so you like the pepper?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Watch your thing, man. Watch your thing, man. Yeah, we like spice as well. Yeah, man, we like spice as well. It's supposed to be good.
Yeah, man. When you pack that in and the smell of that pepper, even the smell will soak into it.
Yeah. So we have to make that scallion there go round after that. We ain't got too much scallion in the car. Yeah, I'm just rolling around Jamaica with random stuff in the car. Like 2 bits of scallion, 1 bit of thyme.
I can't in a kitchen and have scallion in Jamaica. That's like a kitchen without a knife.
That's true. That's true. So yeah, I'm pretty much ready. Fish done, seasoned.
Yeah, man.
And natto seasoning. We've got the not all-purpose, the all-purpose, the maroon all-purpose, and the pimento. Ready to go. We're gonna deal with the rest of them. Chop, chop.
Yes, sir.
Cooking time.
We are living in a serious time.
them nice shots. You know them nice shots where you just see the fish go up on the fire, little music and everything.
Sizzle and little thing.
Hoi hoi! You see me? Jamaica Food Boss, MdotR, Cook and Vibe. It's crazy. There's a camera there, there's a camera there. You just got. Yeah! Food cook. Food cook. Catch a little while because we was chilling. No, we was chilling.
When I vibe.
We was chilling and we didn't put need a bit more heat on that, but everything is cooked. The sweet potato, the yam, fish, or everything. Maybe we should say swim around. I don't know. Swimmers,
fish, anything.
Yeah, so yeah, it's taste time.
Yeah man, time to see Wha Gwann.
Yeah,
time to see Wha Gwann and I cook and vibe kitchen in Jamaica.
You see me?
Yeah man.
Well excited. Well excited. So yeah man, thank you again for the link up.
Big up man. Respect man.
Every time, brother. Yeah.
Bless.
So which fish you gonna take?
They don't matter to me, you know. Which fish me I take one of them swimmers.
Yeah.
Kill any one of them, you know. A problem. Yeah man. Look on that.
Roast fish.
Roast fish, hot and rotted in my hand.
Yeah. Seasoned.
Come out of the mouth.
Yeah. Seasoned by Cook and Vibe. Yeah. Hosted by
Cook and Vibe.
Boss.
Seasoning upon it.
But I'm gonna be honest. You know what it is,
look on that.
You see the sweet potato?
Yeah man, roasted nicely.
The sweet potato is my favorite when it's roasted, you know.
I think the yellow yam are my favorite, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
man.
I'm gonna go straight in for the sweet potato.
I'm not gonna feast it up. Tell you, see if it's sweet.
The roast flavor of any type of provision, I think.
To me,
from Irish, the yam, the sweet potato, just gives it that taste.
I go one step further. Anything that you put in coal, any type of coal fire, it just give it that taste, that distinct flavor that just brings out something different in the food.
Yeah.
It brings out a total different flavor to any type of food. That
Definitely.
But once that smoke goes in there, it's a total different ballgame.
It's a different flavor completely.
Totally different. Well, I'm going straight into the roast fish, you know, sorry.
Yeah. No, I'm not going no.
But I have to tell you about your roast fish.
Let's see if I get approval for my seasoning.
Yo, the season like a yard.
Yeah.
Whole heap of seasoning.
Do I get the Jamaican Food Boss approval?
I mean man, I talk about, you know what I rate, brother? See the sealer. Look how the fish stuff. I mean, if you look inside, the belly, I can smell the scotch bonnet them and them thing there from it right now. Like, you can smell the seasoning in there. It's not just what was put on top. Remember, I add a little pimento, that pimento flavor bursts with it. So look how it open up now. Tender and soft, cooked perfectly. Falling off of the bone. Right off of the bone. The bone is literally falling and I burn up my rotted hand.
But
yeah, man.
That's how seasoning.
Tasty or not on it?
Yeah. Can taste it, man.
Yeah, man. And the scotch bonnet pepper, the flavor of the pepper in there. Nice and soft. Yo.
I forgot where he's filming for a minute. I was just standing there eating.
Yeah, we're going in, everybody get quiet.
You know what? That's when you know the food's good, when everybody goes quiet. Fish pretty nice. This is a really nice fish actually. What kind of fish is this?
That is a jack.
Jack?
Yeah man, jack.
I like this.
This is a snapper. And you can see seasoning soak right down into it. Totally gone down, straight down into it.
So this jack is more like, it's quite meaty, it's not really fishy.
Yeah, it's very meaty. Well, it's a drier texture.
Dry out?
Yeah. So it's a whiter meat, even though
like chicken.
Yeah. It have a drier meat.
So if some people don't like
chicken. No, sir, jack. It's like mackerel. It's the same species.
I mean the texture.
Yeah, the texture is more. It's
more chickeny texture, tougher. Yeah. Rather than slimy. Yeah. I really like it. I think it's the first time I've tried jack. So all right, Jack.
Yo, when I bring some flavors from the UK, still from England. When I go on with a bag of things in the kitchen.
It's a blessing right now.
Half of my fish gone right, I don't know. See that?
Right now it's a blessing.
Bone alone on the side there. No ramp with it.
Him no ramp, food boss no ramp with it.
No man, I mean as I said, the seasoning is soaked. The pepper, the Scotch bonnet pepper, I love the amount of pepper that's in it. And I say it's not just heat, the flavor as well.
When that Scotch bonnet rub on the skin of the fish and you dig in,
yeah man,
and you bite that piece and you can
it just bursts with flavor in your mouth.
Bursts with flavor.
Yeah man.
That annatto seasoning is really nice. And remember we used the
annatto give it a little sweetness. It's not like a sugar or anything that you put in adding on it. It's more like a natural sweetness to it.
And we use the maroon all purpose.
Yeah man.
So new seasoning to me. Me season it, but a food boss give me the seasoning. So yeah, teamwork, you know?
Yeah man. Come out well proper.
So me I go and enjoy my fish. I've been looking at that camera the whole time. I've just realised.
We've been looking at it's alright, we share everything. It's even the footage with the on cook and bad.
May I tell the people, what a wicked link up.
Yeah man.
What a good vibes.
Yeah man, good vibes.
Yeah, really good vibes, man.
Yeah man.
You know when you're there in the moment, you don't really think in, but you know when you sit down and chill when you sit down, man.
And we wait for the
food. Good vibes.
Wait for the food and just hold a nice reason and just
so, yeah,
man.
Yeah man, it's good to cause you know, so when you watch someone on YouTube and then we link, because enough time we link on Instagram.
Yeah man, enough time we just message and say, yo, mad video where you put out sick brother.
Yeah.
Music video chopping. Yeah man.
Look out for my music people. My artists as well. It's in me, a different style. I've got a new album out, it's called Different. Go check that out. You get me? Make sure you subscribe to Cook and Vibe. Make sure if you're watching this, you subscribe to Food Boss. Cause Wally put them on watching this subscribing now.
That's how going on.
You know what it is? I'll tell them if you don't subscribe, what's gonna happen, Ben?
Fingernails are gonna go rusty.
Your fingernails are gonna go rusty. Press the button.
Big up Cook and Vibe. Wicked link up.
Yeah.
The food is great. The vibes is proper.
Yeah.
Just a mellow, chill, nice vibe, brother. Yeah man. Roast some fish. So I am in the rotted, I don't even go in there. You see how the fish sweet? I don't even touch the yam yet to rotted. Hold on, that sign, we're about to sign off and don't even touch the yam, you know.
Or even the Irish. That's how you take off the burntness. Yardman style. And true, Food Boss.
What that? Yeah man, yo, me even eat the skin, you know. Like the yam skin, it have nice flavor for me.
Well, it have the most nutrition.
You want me to get a Jamaican story?
Yeah.
Might do something for your backbone. Yam skin.
Well, they say with the Irish, all the nutrition's in the skin.
Yeah. A lot of the food because you get a lot of roughage from the skin as well. So even a lot of people here even eat mango skin. So different type of skin.
So I was eating a mango one time. And a Jamaican looked at me and said, "Me never seen nobody peel a mango." Didn't I?
Probably.
I said, I hear you. He said, "No man, you just step it."
Got true. Yeah man. So you peel mango.
But I'm gonna be honest, I've got new teeth now.
A mango man.
I couldn't do that
you
before.
can't deal with it with the mango.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Everything's beautiful. And I think when you eat the skin, you're getting that roast flavour even more.
Yeah, it popping with the char off of the skin.
Yeah.
And the skin have that burn on it that just add a little flavour to it. Not even a little, add a massive amount of flavour to it.
Yeah.
Man, all have me I talk English now, I say massive.
You know what I mean?
Big up the mans them.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, good vibes people.
Come on.
You know how the thing works. Big up section. I'll see you next time.
Bless.
Oi, oi.